Okay, so a quick video today about how to install the Airsoft Engenuity KWA MP9 and Vorsk VMP1 outer barrel that allows you to use standard maple leaf barrels and hot rubbers. It's got a TDC hop and a glove screw for securing the inner barrel. So I'll show you how I fit these, because I've sold a lot of these around the world, and there's just a few queries on how it gets fitted sometimes, because it's quite tight sometimes to get the hot rubber in here. Okay, so we'll quickly take this apart. The first thing to do is unscrew this hex bolt here. And I'll pop that out, put that to one side, and then you can push this button in at the back and pull the rear off, like so. Be careful of not losing your spring guide. Take that out, that's one side. Okay, next, so we need to pop this front bit off so we can lever the bolt out of the way and then get access to the outer barrel. So just slide the bolt back, push this piece back, and then it looks like you unscrew this with a screwdriver, but you don't. You just grab it with a pair of pliers, give it a bit of, and there we go, take that out. Put that out of the way, along with this. Watch the orientation of that spring. It's a pain if it comes off or you lose it. Okay, with this out, then next is this glove screw here. Undo that a little, like so. Then you can pull the outer barrel, and just undo it a little more. Check there isn't one on both sides. I don't think there is. Might be. Just double check. Oh yeah, there's one on either side. Let's do the second one. So yeah, that's both undone, and it allows you to slide the outer barrel forwards. I'm just going to do them a little bit more. On this side, you can slide the outer barrel like so, push the bolt, and then the whole thing lifts out. Like that. There we go. Okay, so put the lower to one side, slide the bolt off, there we go. Right, and then you need to take the flash hider off again. 1/2 mm Allen key, undo that. Another one here, just loosen them off a bit. There we go. And then standard counterclockwise thread. Like that. Slide that off. And there we can see the old outer barrel and the Airsoft Engenuity one. So for this, let's move this one out of the way. We don't need any components from this whatsoever. That whole entire terrible hop system is gone. And we're going to fit a maple leaf barrel and a maple leaf hot rubber. Okay, so we're now going to fit the maple leaf hot rubber, and this is just a stock maple leaf barrel standard. Don't get anyone specific to KWA because they'll still have the same weird chamfer and taper down. You just want a normal everyday maple leaf barrel, or doesn't have to be maple leaf, but standard barrel with a standard hop window. So just shove that on there. Now some customers have struggled to get this lug into here, so I've modified the design from now on, so it's now got a slope on here to make it easier to guide it in, and so you should be able to push it in quite straightforward now. It just slides in like that. Okay, so then with these 1.5mm grub screws, secure the barrel. You don't need to over tighten it too much, just nip it up. And then we'll put the grub screw in for the hop, like so. We'll put if you look down the barrel, we'll just turn it so we start to get a little bit of hop applied on the hop patch. Something like that. What you can do, you can drill, get this in here. You can line this up when it's seated and drill a hole through the top of the bolt so that it's easy to adjust the hop without having to take the bolt out. But it only takes a few tries to get the hop dialed in for your weight of BB, and then you're good to go really. So right, we'll put this back together. Okay, so take the lower receiver. If this piece has come out, then make sure it slots back in. Barrel and bolt like this. This piece slides over the barrel, and then we're going to drop this in, taking care of this lug here. Needs to go down and under there. I'll just show that in a bit more detail. So that's it in, but I'll do it again just to show you. So we'll lift this out, this whole thing out. So it drops in like so. Pull the outer barrel forward, and then this piece that slides here, push it forward with your finger, put the barrel forward, and just push the bolt down and slide it back, and we're all in. Then push the barrel back, we're going to drop, put this clip back on, like so. Make sure this spring doesn't fly off, push that in, push this pin down with the flats. It's got a flat on it, you want that flat to be that way, like that. Make sure that spring doesn't fly off, push that in. A bit tricky to get in sometimes. There we go. That's everything in. You can tighten up the two grub screws just for extra security. Again, don't need to nip them up tight. That's the barrel in with the bolt. And then it's a simple case of reinstalling the recoil spring. And spring guide. Set that into there like so. Put the rear back on. Best to do the front first. Push the pin in. Slide that in. There we go. And then last, push this hex screw back in and secure. Push that in. Just being a little bit of a pain. Let's see why it doesn't want to align. Push this in again. Bit of spring is covering the hole where the screw goes in. So recoil back in again. Go. And front. Push that in and rear. There we go. Now get this pin and in it goes. And ready to go. I've now got a really well functioning Vorsk